Alright, this is for my E36 guys out there. If you got the sagging transmission tunnel insulation, came up with a pretty easy, quick solution. Cut down the pipe hanger, bend it a little bit to match the transmission tunnel. And then the lighting sucks in here. I cut a couple of these guys down. I don't know if you can see that. Cut that little nub off of there. And I'll take you under the car and I'll show you how it works.
A few moments later.
Here we are underneath. Excuse the dirt. I was cutting all this out because I got tired of it sagging on my drive shaft. I could have done the same thing back here, but it was already so torn up by the glebo and just oily and stuff. I had an oil leak that I haven't cleaned up after yet. And here it is sagging onto the top of the transmission on this side where I haven't put one in yet. And here it is doing just fine. Anyway, quick and easy solution for you guys. Peace.